Hello friends, today I'll be looking at simultaneous equations involving exponential functions. So this question says solve the simultaneous equations for exponent x divided by 25/6 exponent y equal to 1024 and 3 exponent 2x multiplied by 9 exponent y equal to 243. So what I'm going to do is to look at the equations separately in order to get the linear equation before solving simultaneously. So I'm going to look at the first one, which is 4 exponent x divided by 25/6 exponent y is equal to 1024. So what I need to do here, because these are exponential functions, what I need to do is to make 256 to have the same base with 4, and also 1024 to have the same base with this and this. In a nutshell, I'm going to make everything here to have 4 as a base in order to simplify. So this is the same thing as 4 exponent x, 25/6 exponent y. If you break it down, you're going to have 4 exponent 4, because 4 exponent 4 is going to give you 256. And then this is 4 exponent 4 means 4 multiply itself into 4. That will give you 256. So because of this exponent y, you're going to multiply that 4 by y. So you now have equal to, the same thing applies here. So what I need to do is to bring out base 4, then look for a number that if I raise to this 4, I'm going to get 1024, and that number is 5. 4 exponent 5 is equal to 1024. So looking at this, all of them have the same base 4. So what I need to do is to apply law of indices here. This is division. Remember, if you have two exponents with common base, you're going to subtract the powers. Because of this division, you subtract the powers, pick one of the base and subtract the powers. So picking the base, which is 4, then I'm going to subtract the powers. X minus 4y is equal to 4 exponent 5. So because of this equal sign, remember that I'm going to ignore the base, or rather cancel 4 will cancel 4. Just cancel out the base and pick the exponents. So this is the same thing as x minus 4y is equal to 5. So I'll call this one equation 1. So I'm going to solve for equation 2. So I'll bring out the second equation, which is 3 exponent 2x multiplied by 9 exponent y is equal to 243. Okay, so I'm going to make everything here to be of the same base with this exponential function, so which is 3. I'm going to make 9 to have 3 as the base. I'm going to make 243 to have 3 as its base also. So this is equal to 3 exponent 2x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2 will give you 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So 9, 3 raised to the power of 2y, because of this y here, multiply the exponent by the y, which is, so that will give us 2y. So this is equal to 243. So I'm going to break 243 down to look for a number that I will raise to the power of 3 to give me 243. That number is what? 3 exponent 5. 3 exponent 5 is going to give me 243. Because 3 times itself into 5 is going to be 243. So what I need to do, this is multiplication. I'm going to apply multiplication law of indices, because 3 is here as the base, 3 is here as the base of this exponential function. So I'm going to pick 3, which is common. Then because of this multiplication, I'll add the exponent. That is the law. So this is 2x plus 2y is equals to 3 exponent 5. So now 3 will cancel out 3 because of this equal sign. I'll pick the exponent. Okay, so now equation 2 becomes 2x plus 2y is equals to 5. So this is the second equation So now what I need to do is to bring out the first and the second equation and solve simultaneously using either elimination method or substitution method. Now the first equation is x minus 4y is equals to 5, and the second one is 2x plus 2y is equal to 5. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So I'm going to solve simultaneously using elimination method. Okay, you can still use a substitution method, get the same answer. So now I'm going to put line here. So in using elimination method, I'll consider you either consider the equations of y first, or you consider the equations of x first. Whichever way, we're going to arrive at the same answer. So I will consider equations of x here in the first equation, also equations of x in the second equation. Looking at these two x, now the equations of x in the first one is 1, the equations of x in the second equation is 2. So I'm going to multiply the whole of the first equation by the equations of the second x in the second equation, which is 2. So this becomes multiplied by 2. So 1 is here, multiplied by 1. Okay, because the equations of x is 1, x is 1, so that is why each quotient is 1. So here x is 2, that is 2x. So each quotient is 2. So now I'm going to say 2 times x, that will give me 2x. 2 times minus 4, that will give me minus 8, equal to 2 times 5, that will be 10. So I'm going to use 1 to multiply everything here, which will give me the same thing. 1 times 2x, that will be 2x. 1 times 2y, that will be 2y. 1 times 5, that will give me 5. Okay, so you can see I have 2x here and 2x here. So I'm going to put minus sign to eliminate. That's the elimination method, and put my line again. So I'm going to subtract this first equation from the second equation. So 2x minus 2x, that will give me 0. So minus 8y minus 2y, that will give me minus 10. This is minus 8y minus 2y, that will be minus 10, because minus is plus. We're going to write minus 10y is equal to 10 minus 5, that will give me 5. So for me to get the value of y here, I'm going to divide both sides by 10, that is by the quotients of y. So that will give me y is equal to 5 divided by minus 10, 5 over minus 10. Okay, that will give me 5 cancel 1, 5 cancel minus 2. So y becomes minus 1 over 2. Now I'm going to substitute for y using either equation 1 or equation 2. So I'll write substitute for y using equation 1. Using equation 1 is x minus 4, 4y is equal to 5. So meaning that anywhere I see y, I'm going to substitute with minus 1 over 2. So this is x minus 4. I'm going to put bracket because of this y, minus 1 over 2 is equal to 5. So I'm replacing y with minus 1 over 2. So this is the same thing as x. Remember that minus times minus is plus. I'm going to put plus here. Then 4 divided by 2, that will give me 2, is equal to 5. Meaning that this will cancel 2. Minus times minus is plus, so plus 2. So I will collect like terms, making x the subject of the formula. That will be x is equal to 5. Then plus 2 will cross over to meet 5. That will be what? Minus 2. Because any sign that crosses equal sign in mathematics, the sign changes. So that becomes x is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equals to minus half. This is the answer. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.